Hello, Elaine here with another speaking tip. This tip is on credibility. Now, we've all heard of the imposter syndrome, where we feel that we're an imposter and we shouldn't be there, whether it's in your role at work, whether it's in your business, whether it's standing at the front of the stage. I don't know enough. People are going to know that I'm an imposter. Well, can I just say the person who's thinking this is you? And I get it. I really do, because I've been there myself. When I worked with my client Jane, and she came up with this very same thing, that she didn't feel credible enough. She felt that she hadn't had enough experience in her field to be speaking on it. You actually only really need to be 10 steps ahead of whoever you're speaking to. Or if they're your peers and they know as much as you, fine. And even if sometimes you feel they know more than you, can I ask you to ask yourself that question? Why are you then the one who's at the front of the room delivering the presentation? And many times, can I say, because you've spent time delving into this subject matter, delving into the content, that you actually know it a lot more than anybody else in the audience. So that's why you should be the one who's delivering it. Because if not, they would be the one at the front of the room. And they're not. Another thing you can do is what I did with Jane. I said, Jane, just take some time and write down why you are credible, why you deserve to be the one who's at the front of the room. And she found the exercise quite hard, but after a while she really got into it and came up with a really long list of why her. She looked at areas of her expertise, how she'd helped her clients, awards she had won, and stories that she'd been through, and learnings and growth, and the knowledge that she had. And so I'd encourage you, whether you're in a job and you have a career, whether you're a business owner or you're an entrepreneur or a solopreneur or a speaker, start writing out your credibility of why you deserve to be at the front of the room. And when you can stand in that, and when you can really see it and own it, then your shoulders will go back, your head will go up, and you'll know that life doesn't make any mistake. You are there for a reason. So I hope that you've got something from this tip. As always, you can like the video and reply to the email to let me know what did you get from this video. Even sharing your credibility with me, just that will make a difference for you. Or share it with someone else. Don't just keep it to yourself. And no, it's not boasting. We're very British. Sometimes we don't like to say why we're good at something, but it's just owning who you really are and being proud of that too. Okay, until we speak another time, let's share, grow, and learn together. Take care. Bye-bye.